would like to know about your journey, how it started from because we all know you were a back dancer long back, and now you are a professional choreographer in the
You want to give me my introduction or like it's going to be?
Yeah, introduction. You can start with your introduction.
Achha, theek hai.
Like that.
Okay.
You can proceed to how your journey went on.
Okay. Hi guys, I'm Adil Sheikh and I'm a Bollywood choreographer. Recently, you've been seeing my lot of work happening around. I've just recently shot for Gulabi Aakhe and Move Your Luck from Noor film, and there are also many songs in the line. Well, I started my career as a background dancer, and today I'm sitting here as a choreographer. And great journey, great experience, and hard work always pays. That's the way.
We all know that you were a back dancer in Mujhse Shaadi Karogi in Salman Khan's movie, and
Yeah.
now recently you worked with him in Bajrangi Bhaijaan as a professional choreographer. So how was the change? How did you feel that?
The feel was amazing. It's just that it's always fun, you know, both the sides. Behind the camera or front the camera, it's always fun. So when I was working as a background dancer, you don't connect with the actors so well. So it's basically high, low, and whatever. But when you're working with them, you connect them well. You know them. You can sit with them personally. You can eat meals. You can share some topics. So just the difference is that when you're in the background, you're as a background. But when you come in as handling the camera or being the main HOD on the set, then you become like, you know, you connect with the actors more.
You have also choreographed Manali Trance of Shawkeens that had become a party anthem in between. So what was your reaction to that?
So basically, yes, Shawkeens was a special film because it's directed by a very good friend. And when we shot for Manali Trance, we shot in Mauritius, and the way we conceptualized the song was little different. Okay, that time lot of trance parties, lot of rave party songs were happening. So that was a challenge to shoot there with the people from there, with the dancers from there, and the location was a little difficult. We shot in a jungle, so it was a little difficult song to shoot. But later on, when people started talking about that, you know, have you seen that film which has got Manali Trance in that? So the song got recognition like that way, and the film also was recognized because of Manali Trance. So I'm grateful to that song and Lisa Hayden to perform so well, and we had a great time shooting Manali Trance.
You also done ads with Ranbir Kapoor and Shah Rukh Khan. So how is it like working with those people? Is it tough to teach them how much efforts do you need to put into choreograph those people?
I believe the actors are already established. You're talking about Ranbir Kapoor and Shah Rukh Bhai, so they are already established. Whatever they do, it looks good. So it's never difficult to choreograph them or to make them understand. They understand everything, and shooting commercials are little easier than shooting movie songs. So it's just that you have a storyboard happening. You know what actors are doing. You know what kind of frame is going to be there. So everything's just and. Before I've worked a lot with Ranbir Kapoor. I personally know him very well. So it's very easy when he comes on set, and when recently as an independent choreographer I'm working with them. So it helps me to, you know, like to connect well and to understand what he wants, and he understands what I'm trying to teach him. That's the way it goes.
And now you are recently shot for Gulabi Aakhe from Noor movie.
Yeah.
The song itself was a very big hit, and
Yeah.
it's like history. It has a very big place in the history of the Bollywood.
Sure.
So were you under pressure for choreographing that thing? Because
So what
you had a
happens?
lot of
Yeah. So what
responsibility.
happens? I'll explain you something. What happens is like when the song is already a legendary number in its own time, and when it remixed or it's been constructed again, and then when we try to choreograph it or shoot for it, so it's always a nervous point where you have a you know, responsibility to shoot it well or to give it a proper result. कि क्या हो जाता है, then people start matching that one and this one with each other. But it's always a challenge, and I believe Sonakshi did an amazing job. The way she performed in the song, the way she was excited about the song. And if we talk about the other song, what I shot, Move Your Luck, in that Diljit, Badshah and Sonakshi were there. So that song was the easiest part to shoot. You know, like when we started shooting, so they just all came. They are like, "What steps are we doing?" So I was like, "Just played the audio," and I'm like, "Just have fun." So that's how when you see the song, also it's, you know, people are having fun, and our celebrities are having fun. So when you watch that song, you feel like, you know, you're a part of that song, you're there partying with them, and it's just that.
So we all know that some or the other dancer always have an inspiration. There is someone who asks them, who makes them perform for the first time. So where did you get your inspiration from? When was you that time when you thought you need to dance?
So basically, as a child, we used to always watch televisions, and in our time, there were a lot of Govinda ji on television. There was Mithunda on television. There was Michael Jackson on television. So yes, watching them, you know, slowly you start grooving. And in as a background, my family always, whenever they're happy, they dance. So it's basically they're not from the industry or nothing, no connections in being a dancer or anything, but in always fun they used to dance. And when we used to watch television, these all celebrities, so it's always fun. So that hobby and that passion became a profession now.
And last question would be, if you have a chance in the future, who will be your dream project? One person would you would like to work with?
My dream project is it's very difficult question to answer, ask also and to answer also, that what is going to be my dream project. Well, every project is special to me, very close to my heart, small or big or maybe in any way. So every project is the same as what is going to be my dream project. So every project is my dream come true types.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.